So the first time we met in person, we were playing on a soccer field, and I was a goalkeeper, football, and she actually scored on me. So, but I lied to her. I told her I let it go in so she'd go on another date with me. So that was the first time we met in person.
We met on a dating app, Hinge, and we had a phone call date before we met in person, and then the first time we met in person was on the soccer field, and I scored on him.
She's just always super positive. You know, anytime that anything's negative or anything like that, it doesn't matter. Like, she always brings joy to the equation, and it doesn't matter what's happening. So she's fantastic. Got it? All right, how about... There are videos on you.
What?
There are videos on you. So there are videos.
I literally didn't think so.
What's that? Think what? This is a date night. This is a date night. I don't know what you're talking about. Oh, sorry. Bump. Oh, step. Sorry. Step. We're good. No more steps. All right. Ready? Take this off.
Keep my eyes closed? Okay. Whoa. My eyes are closed. I'm out. Is that okay?
They're good.
Why can I think?
You can open them now. Elizabeth, since the first day that we met, I knew that I was going to fall deeply in love with you, and you were my only person that would be motivated. Will you marry me? Huh?
Yeah. They're so good.
Yeah? Love it.
I love these.
Goodie. This is you. Thank you. Love you. That's all I could live in. Looks great on you.
I feel so happy and excited to marry Steven. He's just my best friend, and I literally have no words, and I always have words, and I just literally feel amazing.
Oh, I feel amazing. It's glad it's finally over. Like, I'm glad I finally got it done. So it was kind of waiting up for the event, and it was better than expectations. So when she's speechless, that means it's a home run.
Forever seems like a long time, but nothing seems like a long time when I am with you. I feel like I'm walking on water since the day that I asked your father to let go of his daughter. So give me your blessing, sir. I'll give her all that I've got. It doesn't look like much, but it sure feels like a lot. Let her take my heart and take my hand. Take my heart and take my hand. Take my heart and take my hand again and again. Right where we stand.
Oh my gosh, Steven has the most kind heart ever, and he will go out of his way for anybody, a stranger or somebody that he loves. I mean, he offered to drive an old lady home once from the grocery store, so his kind heart is what I love the most.
I just want to say I love you so much. So excited for the next chapters in our life, and you know, I just couldn't imagine it with anybody else by my side. So I'm just cheers to many more chapters in our life. I love you.
I love you so much, and you crushed it with this proposal, and I just can't wait to spend the rest of my life with you as my teammate. I'm just so happy. I love you.
Take my